bucks, $100 for a Veromoda kimono. Literally $100 for a Veromoda kimono. Where are you gonna get it? I don't know. Only in Bandra.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's been so long I haven't said this, but I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Bandra haul. Basically everything I shopped from the streets of Bandra, especially Hill Road. I only shop from Hill Road in Bandra. My clothing is always from Hill Road and my shoes are from Linking Road. I think that's just basic Bandra shopping tip that I can give you is that shop clothing from Hill Road and shoes from Linking Road. And in today's video I'm not just going to show you what I bought, I'm also going to tell you where exactly you can buy these from, because they are just not basic pieces of clothing, you know, they are from proper brands. I have jeans from Veromoda, skirts from Lifestyle Ginger, I have pants and dresses from Abercrombie and Fitch, I have pants from Hollister. So you know, these things, I don't know if everyone knows where to get these branded pants and t-shirts from, and all of them are original. They are just rejected pieces from the factory that they end up giving to the Bandra markets and all of these people to sell it for a really cheap price. So basically jeans and tops that are for thousands and thousands of rupees in the store, you'll get it for 200 or 300 rupees in Bandra. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right ahead into the video. I have everything from a pair of night suit to dresses, not dresses actually, a dress, to jeans, skirts and tops, t-shirts, everything. So I'm going to start from the bottom wear, I think, because that's more interesting and they're from actual brands and I really want you guys to see it. I've been so excited to film this video. Actually, I've had these clothes stacked up in the corner of my room just to show you guys since the past 3 weeks, but because of a few things that came up, I couldn't film, and here I am filming today as soon as I've gotten the time to. So let me just start with the bottom wear. The first thing that I have is this pair of black denim jeans from Ginger. Okay, they're like proper black denim jeans and they fit amazing and they have everything. Okay, it has the tag also from Ginger. Way better than actually me going, and whenever I go and shop for jeans, I never get my actual size, but this actually fits me so well. It's like, oh, it's amazing. It's just amazing. Take a shot for every time I say amazing. Just a pencil fit jeans, high-waisted, let me just say, and from Ginger, and it says waist 34, but this is actually like it fits way smaller than the size 34. So if you're a 34, then I would suggest you buy a 38 because that's how it fits. Okay, and if you're a 24, I would suggest you buy a 30. Just on my bottom wear, actually I've bought it from the same store, only because you can exchange your clothes over there, and this is the only store in Bandra, like the street store in Bandra, that gives you branded clothes at horribly cheap prices. So this jeans, for instance, is from Ginger and I've saved the price tag. I've worn this obviously a lot of times, but I've saved the price tag just to show you guys. This is the price tag that came with the jeans, by the way. You can see it's 34 size, and yeah, just look at it. It says $9.99. okay, I got this jeans for 300 rupees. 300 rupees, that is stupidly cheap. Like, I can't even. Getting a pair of Ginger jeans for like 300 rupees, I don't know, but I think it's a total steal and you should go and shop from this store. The next thing that I got from the same store are these pair of Veromoda jeans, which I'm super excited to show you guys. I've been waiting to show these pants to you guys only because it is a freaking Veromoda jeans and it comes with everything. Let me just tell you, if you would go to a Veromoda store and you would buy a jeans, it's exactly like that. It comes with the tag of Veromoda, comes with this flap that you get when you buy a Veromoda jean, and also everything is so real, like the buttons are literally covered. I haven't worn this yet, by the way, I have to wear it, and it comes with a price tag. Now this is where the shocker happens. This jeans is for, y'all all know Veromoda jeans are literally the most expensive ones, I mean apart from Zara, but they're so expensive, but the fit is amazing. And this jeans, oh my god, retails for 3,295. Okay, 3,295. Okay, but I got it for 300 rupees. There is some incredible discount going on, and why wouldn't you want to go and buy a Veromoda jeans for literally not even half the price for just 10% of the original price. Like this was for 3,295. I got it for 300 rupees. If this isn't a steal, I don't know what is. I can't believe it that I got this jeans and I'm gonna wear it ASAP. These are, by the way, two-toned and they are light blue in the bottom and it comes with this. It's very trendy street style jeans thingy and you should totally go and check this place out. The next thing that I got are these pair of blue denim skirt. This isn't the original piece that I got from them actually. I bought a blue denim jeans and I came home and I tried it and it didn't fit me well. So I had to go and exchange it and buy another one, and this also doesn't fit me well, but I just thought I'd show it to you guys. It's beautiful though. It's very pretty looking. If it fits you well, it'll look beautiful. The next thing is actually I think my most favorite piece out of this clothing haul. It's a pair of corduroy skirt from Ginger Lifestyle. And the fit, the color, the feel, everything is just beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm obsessed with... Oh my god. I dropped something on it. Because I wore it. Not once, not twice, thrice already. And it's only been like a month since I've shopped this. But the color is beautiful. The material is beautiful. I've also saved the price tag of this one just because I wanted to show you guys that it actually is from the store, and I wanted to compare prices for you guys so you can actually go and shop. Wow. It says that this one's for 1,500. It says that this one's for 1,500 rupees. 1,500 rupees it says on the price tag, and I got this for 300 bucks only. It's so trendy right now, corduroy skirts with buttons especially. They're super trendy and I got them for dirt cheap price. You guys can also go and flex on your friends after buying branded clothes for literally peanut prices after watching my video. You're welcome. I shopped all of these bottoms from this particular store. This is on the opposite lane of Godrej Nature's Basket on Hill Road. Super easy to find. Just look for this banner and you got it. So throughout this video, I'm going to give you Godrej Nature's Basket as a landmark because you will know where then. It's going to be easy, trust me. So from a roadside store actually, if I have the clip of the video, the store, then I'm going to put it up right now so it's easier for you to find out and what the store looks like. Because in Bandra, as you know, the stores are very cramped up and every store looks the same, and it's not really a store, it's just on the footpath, you know. So this is where I bought these white shorts from. It's a basic white shorts, but the only thing I think it's very transparent, so I don't know if I can wear it outside, but at home definitely I can wear it. It's very comfortable. These are the perfect dupe for the H&M shorts. If you've been to H&M, you've seen these basic shorts for like 700-800 rupees if I'm not wrong. I got this for 200 rupees. That's it. Quality amazing, super thick, it's super comfortable, so you should go and check it out. Only for 200 rupees, guys. Come on. 200 or 100? I'm confused. I think 200.
I think 100. 100 or 200, you figure it out. Go find it for yourself.
The next bottom that I have is this funky looking, trendy, glittery, not glittery, sequency black shorts. Instead of describing it, I'm just going to show it to you guys. Ta-da! This one, you know, this is perfect for like a sundowner party where you need something really, you know, sway but really fancy. This is exactly what it is, and this is really big for me actually. I came home and I tried it and it was very big for me, so I've just kept it the way it is. I'll just figure out if I can alter it or whether I can give it to one of my friends. I don't know, but I'm going to figure out what to do with this. It comes with beautiful sequins and it's from some brand called Next. I don't know, Next Fashion, and it's from a UK based brand actually, and it also has the price here with the price tag. It says £35. It also came with extra sequins in case few of your sequins from the shorts fall off and you want to like stitch it up. And these, you know, proper brands only give you, bro. Like these normal street stores are not going to give you. So you know this from a good brand. I got this for 300 rupees or 350 rupees. I think 350. Yeah, I got it for 350 rupees. Pair of shorts I got from this lane next to Tea Villa Cafe in Bandra. It's literally next to Tea Villa Cafe. There's a lane. It goes 360 and it ends right outside Tea Villa again. And there are many stores over there. There's a shoe store, there's a bag store, and there are 2 clothes stores over there on just as you enter that lane. I got it from there. Amazing price, amazing quality. That I got from one of the same stores over there in that circle is this pink, pretty looking pink pretty looking top which has puff sleeves and elastic. Perfect trendy looking top. I got this again only for rupees 250. That's it. I'm not spending more than 250 on these tops, bro.
Okay.
This top makes your body look so good. It snatches your waist in and makes your look so good, and your arms are looking all thin and, you know, with that puff sleeves and looking flowy and very beautiful, Disney like. So these tops are trending, like super trending, so go check them out right now. There's another t-shirt that I bought from the same store over there in the circle, the T Villa circle. I can't find it right now, but I'm going to put it up here after I find it. It's a Levi's t-shirt, and it's original Levi's. It came with the tag and everything, and it's a crop Levi's t-shirt. And my best friend actually saw it when we were shopping for another best friend, and she was like, oh my god, this is so cool. And I was like, wait, what? That's original Levi's. And I asked him for the price, and it was only for 200 rupees. Amazing, guys. Go get it. This is from the same store.
I also got this Hollister pant from the exact same store that I got the Fila t-shirt from, and I got this only for 300 rupees. It's unbelievable how I'm getting original brands for such a cheap price. It's an insane deal.
I got this sweatshirt. My best friends and I actually got this together. It's a green tie-dye sweatshirt. If you've not watched my vlog that I put up for my best friend's birthday, go watch it right now. My best friends and I shopped the same sweatshirt, and we all wore it for like her birthday. It was really cute, so go check it out. Also, a little story time. I was scrolling through Instagram the other day, and I follow this thrift store on Instagram. They were selling this same sweatshirt for 700 rupees and saying that it was thrifted and it's now 700. I was like, bro, what a scam, because I got this from Bandra for like 250 rupees and you're selling it on a thrift store for 700 rupees. This doesn't make sense. So I'm not going to name the thrift store. I don't want to like put anyone's name out there, but yeah, this is from the same circle, T Villa circle, 250 rupees. Amazing steel, amazing quality, has incredible woolen fibers inside which help you stay warm, So yeah, then I got, if you haven't watched my previous haul video, I'm going to put it up right now, or it's in the description box. Go watch it, because in that video I showed you guys this Vero Moda kimono shrug which looks yummy, and it's from Vero Moda again. I don't know how these people are getting these big fancy brands to give them their clothes, but again, from Vero Moda, super silky material. 100 bucks for a Vero Moda kimono. Literally 100 bucks for a Vero Moda kimono. Where are you gonna get it? I don't know. Only in Bandra. From this uncle who sits outside Elko. There's a restaurant called Elko. Everyone knows that, in Bandra Hill Road. He sits right outside Elko with a hanger filled with 100 rupees kapda. So you have to literally go through each of them and figure out which one you like. And I got this one and I'm so happy. I got it only for 100 rupees. Like, when am I ever going to get a Vero Moda jacket for 100 rupees? Never. Now, the clothes that I'm showing you are from the same store. They are from this store called Fashion Studio, right opposite Godrej Nature's Basket. I got this super chill cash t-shirt from the store opposite Nature's Basket that's called Fashion Studio. I got this one. This was for 200 rupees or 250. 250 I think. Amazing. 250 rupees only. Let's move on. Next thing I got is this really trendy shirt that looks like Goa. This reminds me of Goa or like Mexico. It reminds me of one of these like tropical places. Every time I've worn this shirt, I've gotten compliments. Every time. I wear it to a party. I wore this for New Year's, by the way, with a black skirt and a golden chain that I again bought from Bandra. Oh, that golden chain that you see, that is what I bought from Bandra only. And I paired it with that chain and a black corduroy skirt. Fabulous. That outfit is a 10 on 10 and this shirt is 100 on 10. So trendy, so comfortable. Next thing I got is a pair of casual. I just got like a casual t-shirt casual t-shirt to just wear when I go out to meet my friends in the evening. T-shirt, it's a basic baby pink t-shirt which has "We are all in this together" written. I mean, what better t-shirt for this time right now? And it has the same thing written behind in bold prints. Like, so trendy. How are people so trendy? Who is designing these t-shirts? Like, super cool. I love it. It's so good, right? And I got it only for 200 bucks. I mean, for a t-shirt, I think 200 bucks is okay. You know, it's not like a steal, but it's good. It's the next thing, my most favorite thing. I love this thing. It's my second favorite buy from this Bandra shopping are these pair of pajama sets, and you will not believe it has the tag of Pretty Little Thing on it. This is the set. It comes with this shirt and it comes with the same pair of shorts. I'm obsessed. It has a cute little pocket and the collar and everything is beautiful. The shorts are literally the most aesthetic looking cute shorts and so comfortable. You know, sometimes these silk night suits are not comfortable when you're sleeping in them, but this is so airy and so comfortable to sleep in. I can wear it in Mumbai heat, okay, at night without an AC and I'm not sweating. So it's that great. And I got it only for 500 rupees. The entire set, the shorts and the shirt, I got it for 500 rupees, and this is also from Fashion Studio, and it had the tag of Pretty Little Thing, like the whole tag on it. So, and the quality, when I look at it, I can, you know, see why it's from Pretty Little Thing, because it is really very good quality. If I wear this in front of you, you would never be able to tell me, you would never be able to say that it's from the streets of Bandra, you know. That's how good the quality is. The last 4 items that I showed you, all of them are from Fashion Studio. Putting the names of all these stores down below with the proper address, so next time you go to shop, it'll be easier for you to shop at Bandra. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you reached till the end of the video, thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope you guys go and shop in Bandra right now. Stop going to the malls and spending your money on the same things that you can get in Bandra, okay? I mean, be careful with the whole COVID situation and wear your mask and wear your gloves or whatever it takes for you to be fully protected. Do everything you can and go and shop in Bandra. The collection is amazing. Go shop today itself. Thank me later. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe before you guys go. And yeah, like this video and comment down below letting me know if you want to see a part 2 of Colaba Causeway or Linking Road Bandra or any of these street markets. Let me know. I will definitely do it because I love shopping and this will be a reason for me to shop, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.